So welcome all. This is our lecture 2. Okay. So in this lecture, we will learn about the number systems. But before that, let me let me review the previous lecture. Okay. Let me just give you a brief review of the previous lecture where we have discussed that what should be our time, what will be our timeline in the upcoming days. Okay. So now just let me tell you. Okay, so we will start from basics of programming. What? Basics of programming. Okay, then we will just move into what is a computer. Okay, so structure of computer basically. So in this structure of computer, okay, then we will move next towards the basic concepts of programming. Okay, so there we will discussing about basic concepts of programming. Okay, then we will move further towards our section where we will learn about the coding. Okay, so we will learn about coding. So just to remember or just to understand the concepts of programming, okay, I recommend you to learn the concepts of Java. Why I'm saying this? Because Java is a pure object oriented programming. Okay, it is object oriented programming. So in object oriented programming, we have the concepts of OOPs also, POPs also, and with the concepts of OOPs, okay, we can easily understand the concept of POPs. POP, what is POP? POP, procedural oriented programming. Okay, procedural oriented programming. Okay, so just moving further, let me tell you which languages we are using in the entire course. Okay, so in the introductory part we will use Java. Okay, why we will use Java? I have told you that it has concepts of hoops, so we will be coding in Java until we have completed the basic concepts such as loops, arrays, and everything and functions. So then we will move further with C and C++. Okay, and at last I will make a video on Python. Okay, when you will learn Java, then you can easily conquer all these languages. Okay, because it becomes very easy to learn these languages when you already know about Java. Okay, so basically, if you are mastered in Java, then you can master them within 1 week. The other languages you will master within 1 week. Okay, so in between I will also tell you about that how this course will benefit you. Okay, and also, as you have asked me the queries that how it will help you in your career. Okay, so let me tell you very first about the programming career. So when you give an interview, okay, when you give an interview, so there you will be asked about your language preference. Okay, so you can have your language C++, Java, or any other language of your preference like Python, JavaScript, and any other. The main concept is the logics and the programming. Logics and programming. Okay. So when you master in these two topics or these two fields, then you can get a very good career in the field of technology, IT sector. Okay. So now let me tell more about this. Okay, so after knowing about coding, so what is important thing you have been asked in the interview is DSA. What is DSA? It is data structures and algorithm. D stands for data, S stands for structure, and A stands for algorithms. What it basically does, it basically do to increase or enhance our problem solving skills. Okay, you will be enhanced with your problem solving skills. Okay, I have written here, you can just refer to it when you don't understand. And if you don't understand what I have told, then please just pause and the video and just start viewing from where you have not been able to understand, and just replay the video. Okay, so in this problem solving skills, the main focus of any IT industry, any IT company is on this thing. And then the other fields are web development, web dev, and the Android development. Okay, like Android development, machine learning, AI, data science, all these things require problem solving. Okay, so wherever you go, whether in web development, whether in Android, whether in machine learning, whether in AI, whether it is the data science, okay, you all will be required to have the very good, or you can say that excellent knowledge about data structures. Okay, what is data structure? Data structure is structuring our data. And what does what the company do? They structure the data because data is most important thing to them. So how to manage data? Okay, manage data and how to store data is very important for the companies to handle. Okay, so they want that IT professionals which have complete knowledge about the data structures and its algorithms. So we will begin from very basics. If you don't know the basics of computer, then you can watch my videos. I will start from very basics. Okay, so if you don't have the computer background, then also you can learn the programming. Okay, so in this context, today I will start with number systems. Okay, because number system is the very basic topic of uh, the programming. If you learn this number systems, then you will be able to decode the programming and decode the code, and you can build your logics also. And also there are some programmings on the number systems. Okay, so if from the point of view of the good programmer, number systems is the first step towards the programming, and it is very important topic. Okay, so let me introduce the our first see, there are various number systems. What is number system? Number system, you can define that whatever you represent in the form of numbers, whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the last lecture I told you about binary digits. So 0 1 0 1 and 1 0, the combination of zeros and ones, it is binary. Okay, so these are some two types of number system. That is, first one is decimal and second one is binary. Okay, besides of this, we also have some more number systems. Okay, we have more also. I will tell you each one in detail in this lecture. Okay, so let me tell you first about the decimal number system. Okay, so what is decimal number system? So first of all, we should know in decimal number system what digits we can use. So in decimal number system, we can use digits from 0 to 9. Okay, in any combination. Okay, so in between 0 to 9, what are there? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so these digits can be used in any combination to produce a number which will be known as decimal number. Okay, when you represent a decimal number, okay, you have to use a prefix also. So what is that prefix? Suppose that here we have written any number. For my consideration, let us write 4 2 3 8. Okay, then we have to write the convention 10 at the prefix. Okay, so what is 10? 10 is the convention to represent that this number is decimal number system, and it is and it is created using the combination of digits from 0 to 9. Okay, so I think you have understood well. So now moving forward. Okay, so this is very basic. You don't need any conversion type or anything at all to understand this. This is very simple. We are using it from our birth. This is the number system. Okay, so the main concept starts from the binary number system, where you will know about the conversions. Okay, because as we are using from the birth the decimal number system, so we need to convert it into binary number system. Okay, then again I will tell you about more about the octal number systems, then about the hexadecimal number systems. Okay, but before learning these two, it is very important to learn this, because these two are derived from this. Okay, the binary number system is very important because the octal and the hexadecimal number systems have been derived from the binary number system. Okay, so just now binary number system. Okay, binary number. See, I am not taking any screenshots if I don't require, but whenever I require, I will take the screenshots also. Okay, but till that I am telling you my own definitions. Okay, I am telling you the way to understand the topic, not way to just learn the topic. Understanding and learning are very different things. You need to understand topics. You can learn by your own. You can use the Google, you can use any the reference books you have. There you will get definitions and all, but the main concept is to understand what is number. Okay, so binary, what is binary number system? Binary number system. Okay, so let me tell you my definition. Okay, so binary number system is a number system where we use two digits, zeros and one, and its combinations up to our desired length. Okay, what is desired length? So desired length is what is our requirement, okay, to represent a number or to represent a sequence. That much we can use the combination to represent a binary number system. Okay, what digits we will use? Zeros and ones. Okay, so see, if I tell you that you are you know the decimal number systems already. Okay, you already know the decimal number system. What if I tell you to convert a decimal number system like 10? Okay, so sorry, uh, 10 102 or anything else, we can take just a small number before we start, because it is very easy to understand from with the help of a small number. Okay, just let me give you example of one digit. Okay, so let me give you about 7. Okay, so for 7, this is the decimal number system. Okay, now we have to convert it into binary number system, this blank. Okay, so how we will convert this? This is the important thing to know in binary number system. You know that binary number system uses zeros and ones, its combinations. It can be anything, just like 101 100 1 1, like these, anything you can have in the combo. Okay, but the main thing is how you will convert from the decimal to binary, or from binary to decimal. Okay, so this is the main topic. Okay, about the binary number system. So when you convert the so before converting from decimal to binary, okay, let me tell you a fact. What is the fact? Just remember, when you divide any number by 2, okay, so what are the possibilities about the remainder? So what are the possibilities? Whether you can get remainder 0, that is digit is completely divided, just like 2 divided by 2, it will give the result as 1, but remainder, what is remainder? Remainder will be 0. Okay, but when you divide just like 3 divided by 2, then you will get a remainder 1. Okay, so this, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 1. So remainder is used to make a binary number. Okay, so how will you convert from a binary from a decimal number to binary number system? Let me just explain you. Okay, but before that, just understand the concept that when you divide any number by 2, then there are only two possibilities. Okay, two possibilities. What? You will get a remainder 0, or else you will get a remainder 1. Okay, so first just let's take a example about 7. Okay, so what is the basic operation we can perform on the division? So just write 7 here. Okay, and you have to divide it with 2. All right, so when you will divide it by 2, when you divide it by 2, okay, let me just explain you. Okay, so first, from which number you have to divide it? Okay, so it will go here. When you divide 7 by 2, okay, when you divide 7 by 2, what you will get? You will get your answer as remainder. What you will, okay, let me explain you here. This is 7, this is 2. Okay, what is this? You will get like this 3, and this 6, and this 1. Okay, so whatever comes here, okay, just do the calculations in your mind. You have to write here. And what is this? The remainder. So remainder, where the remainder will go? Remainder will go here for the first division. Next, you have to divide this number by 2. Okay, now what is this number? 3. When you will divide 3, you will get 1. It will go one times. 2 into 2 into 1, it is 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is the remainder. Okay, now if you get the number less than 2, uh, in my opinion, it will be 1 only when you will divide. Sometimes, or very rarely, 0.0001% its chance to be 0, but it is not. It is not. Okay, so you have to write once. Now pair up these in the sequence from downwards to upwards, just like including this, only this. Okay, and this. Okay, you will get the, sorry, it is not 0.00%, it is 50-50, means you can also get 1 here. Okay, or else you cannot also get, but maybe 1. So what is the binary conversion for 7? Okay, so 7. So right from here the sequence, if you get 1 here, then the very last digit will become 1. Okay, so then 1, then 1, and then 1. So binary equivalent of 7 is 2. So when you type 7 in the computer, your computer read this 111, and it sent the commands to the CPU that 7 has been inputted. So when you add, when you type 7 in your computer, it will read like this 111. Okay, then let me give you some 2-digit example, just 25. Okay, I will tell you the short trick also to do this from binary to decimal, and decimal to binary. Okay, so when you just divide this number, okay, 25, sorry, I think this is the okay, just write 25. Okay, when you write, when you divide it by 2, this is 2. Okay, so when you divide it by 2, it will go 12 times. Okay, and the remainder will be 1. Okay, the remainder is 1. Then when you divide it by 2, 12 divided by 2, it will go 6 times. Okay, and the remainder will be 0. Do you understand why? Because just 12 and 6 here, oh sorry, 2 here, 12 here. What is the time? It will go 6 times. 6 into 2, 12. 6 multiplied by 2, 12, and this will be When you subtract this, it is 0. So this is remainder, and this is what you will get in here. Okay, so 2 and this 6. Okay, when you divide 6 by 2, then also you will get remainder 0, but 3 here. Okay, now moving forward, when you divide 3 by 2, you will get 1 here. It 2 will go 1 times, and the remainder will become 1. Okay, so now here is 1, so we cannot move forward, as I have told you earlier. So now just take a collection of this sequence. Okay, so what will the binary equivalent of the decimal number 25 is equals to 110 and this 001. Okay, did you understand what I have said? If you don't understand, just please rewind the video from where you have not understood, or comment down in the comment section. I will respond to your queries, and please, it's my request, just please subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe and share also. Share with everyone you know that they want the programming lectures, so you can share with them. Okay, so till here we have discussed about the conversion from decimal number system to binary number system. So now, okay, with these two examples, I think you have learned you it is sufficient or not. Okay, so let me give you another example. Okay, just for your convenience, just I think I should give you an example of see, and let me give you example of, okay, just like 100 and example like 104. Okay, when you have to convert 104 from 10 to binary number system. Okay, binary number system. So please follow the same steps here. Okay, let me give you this, and then I will give you assignment work. Okay, so what is there? 104 divided by 2, it is 50. It will go 52 times, remainder will be 0. Then 52, then divided by 2, 26, it will go the remainder will be 0. It is 0. Okay, then 2, then it will go 13 times, the remainder will be 0. Then 2, 6 times it will go, and the remainder will be 1. Oh yes, 1 remainder. And then 2, then it will go 3 times, and the remainder will be 0. Okay, then 3 divided by 2, then you will get remainder 1. Sorry, you will divided when you divide 3 by 2, it will goes 1 times, and the remainder will be 1 also. Okay, so when you just pile up this sequence, what you will get? You will get this 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. So suppose you have typed 104 in your computer, so what it will be read into your CPU? It will be read like this: 1101000. That is, it is in binary format. Okay, all right. I think with these three examples, you will be able to convert the decimal number into binary numbers. Okay, so now just I am giving you two questions. Okay, convert 500 into, just pause the video, think twice. If you don't understand the concept, just rewind the video, then try to solve this question. Okay, this is your assignment, and convert it into binary. Then you will get 742, okay, as a 10, and you have to convert it into binary number system. Okay, these two are questions. Do it yourself. Okay, please don't copy from the internet. Okay, please follow this procedure. Just write down the steps what I have told to you, then solve it. in your notebook or wherever you want to solve it. Okay, just like we can convert a decimal number into a binary number. So what if you have been given binary numbers? So when you are given binary and you have to convert it into decimal number, okay, so what will you do? Okay, just let me give you an example, just like one. Okay, let's take the previous example only. Okay, this what you have got this, so we can we will be able to verify it also. So we have got this 1 1, then what, 0 1, then 0 0 and 0. Okay, so when you will write this like this, okay, so remember the concept. Okay, in the first place, what is this? Its position is all one. Okay, but when we write the positions in this continuous array like structure, then we will start the positions from 0, not from 1. Okay, so suppose you have to you have got the position 4. So in the 4 position, you will not like write 4, you will write 3, because the indexing will be done according to position minus 1. Okay, so when you will get position and of this of any digit in the binary number system, just write their indexing as position minus 1. So what will be its, so let me write first the positions. This is first. Always start from right, remember this, always start from right, right, and then move towards left. Okay, so this is third position, this is fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So now what will be its indexing? If I have written 1 here, then it will be 0, when 2, then 1, then 2, it will be 2, and it will be 3, it will be 4, it will be 5, it will be 6. Okay, so now write what you have to write. Just write 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 everywhere. Okay, in this parallel. Now what you have to write there? Okay, so to convert this into when you have converted the binary number system, oh sorry, decimal number systems into binary number system, you have divided the number by 2. But when you will convert from decimal to binary number system, you have to multiply it by 2. But remember, every digit or every bit is multiplied separately, but not with just 2, but with with the powers of 2. Okay, so when you when you will multiply the zeroth indexing number with 2, then don't multiply it by just 2. You have to multiply 2 raised to the power index. Then here, what is 2? 2 2's power 1, then 2's power 2, then 2's power 3, it's 4, it's 5, and it's 6. Okay, so what is 2's power 0? It is 1. Anything's power 0 is 1. Then 2 power 1, it is 2. Then it is 4. Then it is 8. Then it is 16. Then it is 32. Then it is 64. Okay. Now you have understood. Now just multiply each digit. Okay. When you multiply 0 with 1, what you will get? 0. When you multiply 0 with 2, you will get 0. When you will multiply 0 with 4, you will get 0. When you multiply 1 with 8, you will get 8. Okay, when you will multiply with 16, you will get 0. Okay, and you multiply 1 with 32, then you will get 32, and here it will be 64. But this is not our decimal number. To obtain decimal number, just add them separately. Just add them separately. Okay, when you will add these digits, okay, I think we have got 104, and when you will add these numbers, then you will get 104. So this is our binary to decimal number conversion system. Okay, okay, just remember this concept is very important, because using this concept you can generate the binary number as well from the decimal number system. Okay, so before that, moving forward, if you don't understand the concept, just please rewind the video, okay, and watch from where you have not understood the concept. So when you will divide this, okay, so let me tell you the assignment work. Okay, so you have to convert these numbers into binary formats using this logic and using the whole procedure. When you master the procedure, then use your brain to calculate. Okay, just uh, if I tell you that I have to convert this into this into this, so what I will do in my brain, okay, just multiply it. I will tell you later. Okay, just first solve it by your own, because it will be very important to exercise your brain. So take these examples, just convert your numbers. One, okay, this is assignment. Okay, this is assignment 102, sorry, 102, not it's binary. So 10101 11100, and it is 1. Convert this into into decimal number system, sorry, into decimal number system, and 1100110. Okay, convert this into, see, I have chosen the random numbers. Okay, so I will find what I have written, the decimal equivalent, but you have to try to solve it by yours. Okay, if you face any problem, then tell me in the comment section. Okay, so till this we have completed that conversions of binary number into decimal and decimal number into binary. So let me tell you short trick. Okay, for this, you have remembered this concept. Okay, so when you convert from a decimal number into binary number system, so just remember what we have got here as a result. We have got this. Okay, we have got, when you will continue, then it will be again multiplied by 2 the position, then you will get 256 this, and so carry on. So, okay, it will carry on. Okay, so just remember, so write here 1. When you will then 2, let me just write first, then 8, then 16, then just take a small example only. Okay, so just write here like this. Okay, so when you will convert from a binary number to decimal number, you have seen the procedure. But what if there is a binary there is a decimal number? Suppose we have taken example 20. Okay, 20 to binary number this, sorry, this. Okay, so for 20 you have to make a combination using this. So if you have practiced well, then you will get to know that these two numbers are making 20. Okay, am I right? So just write one in this position and one in this position, and in the remaining positions write zeros, 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 and 0. So this will be our binary equivalent. Okay, so 20's binary equivalent will be 0 1 0, sorry, here is 0. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, and this is 0. So when you type 20 on your computer, it will be read like this. And when computer have to give you output 20, then it will send messages in this format. Okay, and it will be converted and seen shown to you 20. So I hope you have understood the concept of decimal and binary. Okay, so I think it will be enough for this lecture. In the next lecture I will tell you about the other two number systems, like what and see octal and hexadecimal. Okay, these concepts are also very easy, and I will also tell you conversions from each number system to another number system. So because number system is a very important topic, so it will take 3 to 4 lectures to complete this topic. but please don't get panic. You will get the complete knowledge, see, about the programming and computer science also. So I think you have seen the number systems and its conversions. So please, just for your reminder, I will start from basics of programming, in which I will use the concept of Java and the programming concepts also, just like number systems and the logic gates and few other topics. Okay, then we will do coding in Java also. We will see them in the C also, C++ also, and Python also. Okay, whether I will decide that I have to make separate videos on these two or three topics, or I will merge them into one playlist. But till that, just practice what I have told you in this lecture, and please practice few more questions from the internet. You have to train your brain. Okay, so the most important thing to know, that how you train your brain to that to do the things in few seconds or minutes. So this is a technique where you can use it to solve the questions in few minutes. You will not take few minutes, it will take for large numbers, but for small questions you will only take few seconds. Okay, just remember the last two methods, and this method is lengthy method, but it is just to build your basic concepts. So please just like, fo- follow and subscribe also. Okay, just press the bell icon, and please don't forget to share and subscribe. Okay, I'm stopping here, and in the next lecture I will tell you about the two other number systems also. Okay, thank you class.